This is probably one of the best places that someone homeless can pick. Sometimes this is the best that you've got. Sleeping on a bus stop leaves you wide open.
Abandoned spaces like this offer more than concrete and quiet for people like Angie. It's the best she can find while surviving alone on the streets of Jacksonville.
It's difficult. It's really difficult.
Once homeless, Angie's now taking steps to rebuild her life here at Sulzbacher Village, a transition housing facility for women and children fighting to stay off the streets.
I didn't have a strong support system, and I would work a couple jobs at a time. It never really amounted to what I needed.
So the face of homelessness has changed. Somebody can't afford where they're living anymore, and they don't have a support system, so they end up in homelessness.
Just as the struggle for stability grows heavier, hope isn't out of reach. Here at Sulzbacher Village, that relief came through the Care for Humanity project, an ongoing initiative of the Iglesia Ni Cristo Church of Christ in partnership with the Felix Manalo Foundation. Built on compassion and love, the event welcomed those in need with care packages filled with groceries, a warm meal, even extending assistance to the facility through eggs and cooking oil for their kitchens, and something else just as essential, a sense of belonging.
But I appreciate the Church of Christ coming. I didn't realize the presence that they had kind of all over the world. Thank you so much to the church.
Grateful for every little bit of help. I really am, and it's nice to know that I'm not alone. I really appreciate this, you know. Being seen. It's a reminder that not everything is bleak and desperate and depressing, and it's the hand, reaching out a hand and knowing that I have somewhere to reach out to, so things are looking up.
This work of compassion extends beyond Jacksonville, reaching even the tourist capital. Families may take vacations, while many low-income families are facing daily struggles. And at the Boys and Girls Club, families affected by rising inflation received crucial support during another Care for Humanity event.
An event like today definitely helped a lot of people because it saved them from having to go far to buy groceries. It definitely helped save them in their financial part. And part of what the church does, and part of what this event is to care for humanity, care for people.
Through the Felix Manalo Foundation is able to help our fellow men. And so here today in Orlando, here in the neighborhood of Taft, serving the neighbors and also those who are clients of the Boys and Girls Club, uniting also with all of our other brethren and the church administration, we are giving away grocery packs to those who are in need.
An action of faith, of love, that the Church of Christ continues to fulfill, because this is a church that cares. From Jacksonville, Florida, Michael Robinson, U.S. Care for Humanity, special coverage.